Hello teachers! Today I'll guide you through how to create personalized quizzes for your students on our platform. Let's get started. First, log into your dashboard. This is your control panel for everything you'll do here. Step 1. Access the spelling section. Navigate to the spelling section. This is where the creation process begins. Step 2. Begin creating content. Click on Create Content. Here you have the option to create your own sentences and pair them with audio. Step 3. Content Creation Page. After clicking Create, you'll be directed to the content creation page. Input the sentence title, the sentence itself, and select or record your own audio. Step 4. Save your content. Once you've entered all your details, click Create to save your content. Now that your content is ready, it's time to assign it as a quiz. Step 5. Assigning the quiz. Go back to the spelling section and select Assign Exam. Here you can mix SpellQuiz's sentences with yours. Step 6. Finalize the quiz. Check the boxes next to the sentences you want to include, press Create Exam, and follow the prompts to finalize your quiz details. And there you have it! Your personalized quiz will now appear on your students' dashboards. You've just taken another step towards making learning more engaging and effective.